so we're gonna go into this person's house, and then we're gonna, like, I'm gonna walk up and hit the doorbell, but then just walk out, and then, like, hopefully they don't see us. And that'll be really cool. They also have one of those ring cameras.
Yeah, they got one of those ring cameras. I don't think they'll be able to see me.
Yeah, I don't think they'll see me.
Ring it again. I said ring it again.
Fuck off. I think that... So what if, like... Hey guys, so... We're looking at this house right here, and basically here, let me put this in real quick. One of those little flags. So basically we're looking at this place, and it's really decorated, so we're gonna hit it. It's gonna be fun. Where are we gonna hide it? Behind the tree?
In the Halloween decorations.
No, that's too risky. They know that's covered, bro. There's no way.
Yeah.
Let's just go where our bikes are.
Okay.
Okay, so we're gonna hit it. I feel like that thing, like, the second I step close to it, it's gonna, like,
Yeah. Just do it. Car.
There's no way it's not.
Just do it. Oh, they have a ring too. Can't really see much.
Okay, so Carson just texted me. He's on his porch. Oh, they just got the mail. Dude, he needs to go right now. He's right there walking. Not Carson, but the dad or something. The dude that's living there. And then there's a girl over there. He needs to do it right now. He's gonna walk up and completely ignore them. And ding-dong ditch them. They're setting up decorations and stuff. I know you guys can't see really well, but... Oh, there's Carson. He's right there. Fuck. Is he actually gonna do it? Oh, no, he's wussing out. He's wussing out. Never mind. Damn it, dude. Dude, I thought he was actually gonna do it for a minute. I'm not gonna lie. Dude, I literally thought he was gonna do that. Dang it. Maybe I'll do it with him. Yo, Carson. Yeah, what's up? Yeah, you wanna do it together?
Yes. Dude, that was just the scope out mission. I think it's actually possible.
Okay.
There's just two of them out there. There's mom and dad.
Okay.
That's why I was kind of scared, because, like, when dad was walking away from the door when I would do it, that's when mom was walking towards the door.
Oh, I see. So they were kind of across, like, the street and just wait until they...
So that's dad. They're both standing there together right now.
Are you worried about it?
No, I'm not worried. We didn't. We're just walking home from... No, we're walking home from a friend's house. We're walking home from a friend's house. Oh, spider.
That's here.
Baking chill butter.
Bro, guys, they literally... Oh my god. I don't know if you guys heard it, but they were like saying, that like, bro, they were like, hey, how come you guys doorbell ditched us? And we're like, what? We didn't. Carson said that. He was like, no, we didn't. And he's like, no, we're just walking to a friend's house. Bro.
Dude.
I'm not gonna lie, that's pretty funny. Like, you have to admit, that's
Dude,
pretty
and we
funny. Yeah, what's up? So, I don't know if you can hear me that well, but me and Carson, we actually decided not to doorbell ditch any more houses, but instead to actually, okay, that lady just honked at me, okay. We decided to not ding-dong ditch houses, but instead suck each other off, actually, and we had fun. You know, it was really fun, I'm not gonna lie. No, I'm just kidding. I'm not gay like that. I mean, some days, but like, why does my hair like look like a chicken strip? Anyways, like, people are getting festive, I'm not gonna lie. Like, look. Those are some pretty good drawings. Those are some pretty good, like, decorations. Look, I'm trying to ride my bike, but, like, also, like, video. I love you guys.
Bye. Bye, Daddy.